Airtrick e-skates. Airtrick e-skates are modern electric skates made to make movement faster, easier, and more fun. They look like stylish roller skates, but inside they have small electric motors that help you glide smoothly without needing too much effort. Instead of pushing hard like normal skates, the motor gives you extra support, so riding feels light and effortless. These skates are controlled by your body movements. When you lean forward, they move ahead. When you slow your body, they reduce speed. This makes them very natural and easy to learn, even for beginners. They are mainly designed for short-distance travel, like riding in parks, smooth roads, or open city paths. One special thing about Airtrick e-skates is their wearable design. You strap them onto your shoes, so it feels like you are wearing a smart upgrade for your feet. They are compact and easy to carry, so you can take them anywhere without trouble. Ducati Desert X. The Ducati Desert X is a powerful adventure motorcycle made for riders who love both city travel and off-road journeys. It has a strong and rugged look that clearly shows it is built for adventure and long-distance riding. This bike is designed to handle many types of roads. On highways, it feels smooth, fast, and stable. On rough paths like sand, gravel, or dirt tracks, it stays strong and controlled. Its advanced suspension system helps absorb shocks, so the ride feels more comfortable even on uneven surfaces. The Desert X comes with a powerful engine that delivers great performance and steady speed. It is made for riders who enjoy exploring new places and taking challenging routes. The bike also includes modern riding features that help improve safety and control in different conditions. Its design is tall, bold, and aggressive, giving it a true adventure bike personality. The large fuel tank allows longer rides without stopping often. EMP e-Cargo. The EMP e-Cargo is a futuristic electric cargo bike designed to make carrying goods easier, smarter, and more eco-friendly. It shows how bikes in the future won't just be for riding, they will also be used to transport heavy items in a simple and efficient way. The main idea of this concept is combining strong design with electric power. It comes with a powerful motor that helps you carry loads without putting in too much effort. Whether it's packages, groceries, or daily items, the bike makes transport feel smooth and easy. One of its best features is the large cargo space. This allows you to carry much more than a normal bicycle, making it a great alternative to cars for short trips in the city. It is especially useful for deliveries and everyday tasks. Another big advantage is that it is eco-friendly. Since it runs on electricity, it produces no pollution and helps keep the environment clean. Essence Aero. The Essence Aero is a futuristic electric mobility concept made for simple, smooth, and eco-friendly travel. It is designed to make short-distance movement easier in busy modern cities where traffic and space are always a problem. This vehicle has a clean, minimal, and modern design. It looks stylish but is also very practical for daily use. Because of its compact size, it can easily move through crowded streets and tight spaces, making city travel more convenient and stress-free. The Essence Aero runs completely on electricity, so it does not use fuel. That means no smoke, no pollution, and very little noise. This makes it a great choice for a cleaner environment and quieter cities. Charging is also simple, just like other small electric devices, and it can be used again and again for daily travel. The ride is designed to be smooth, stable, and easy to control. Even beginners can use it without much difficulty because it focuses on comfort and simple handling. FreeCar e-bike. The FreeCar e-bike is a modern electric bicycle made for easy, comfortable, and eco-friendly travel. It is designed for people who want a smart way to move around the city without getting too tired or wasting fuel. At first look, it feels like a strong and stylish bike, but it has advanced electric technology inside that makes riding much easier. This e-bike comes with an electric motor that supports you while pedaling. You don't have to depend only on your strength. When you ride uphill, travel long distances, or face strong wind, the motor gives you extra power so the ride stays smooth and light. This makes it perfect for daily use, even for people who are not used to cycling regularly. The FreeCar e-bike is also designed to be strong and practical. It has a stable frame that can handle different road conditions and even carry small loads like groceries or bags. Honda Unicub. The Honda Unicub is a futuristic personal mobility device designed to make short-distance travel easier and more comfortable. It looks very different from a normal bike or scooter because it is basically a smart, self-balancing seat that moves you around smoothly. You sit on it like a chair and control its movement just by shifting your body. If you lean forward, it moves forward. If you lean backward or sideways, it changes direction. This makes it very easy to use because it feels natural, almost like walking, but without the effort. The Unicub uses advanced balancing technology that keeps it stable while moving. Even though it is small and simple in design, it is very smart inside. It can move smoothly in tight spaces, which makes it perfect for indoor places like offices, airports, shopping centers, or exhibitions. It is powered by electricity, so it runs quietly and does not create any pollution. The seat is comfortable, and the whole device is lightweight, making it easy to handle and control. The Unicub is not made for speed or long-distance travel. Instead, it is designed for short, easy movement where walking might feel tiring or slow. Overall, the Honda Unicub is a creative and smart idea that shows how future transport can be simple, comfortable, and easy to use in everyday life. Johammer J1. The Johammer J1 is a very unique and futuristic electric motorcycle that looks completely different from normal bikes. At first glance, it looks more like a concept from the future because of its smooth, unusual design and hidden mechanical parts. It is built to show a new and modern style of electric transportation. This bike runs fully on electricity, so it does not need fuel. There is no smoke, no engine noise, and it is very clean for the environment. This makes it a great option for riders who want a quiet and eco-friendly way to travel, especially on city roads and long, smooth rides. One of the most interesting features of the Johammer J1 is its digital display system. Instead of a traditional dashboard, it uses smart mirrors that show speed, battery level, and other important information in a futuristic way. This makes the riding experience feel more advanced and modern. Kingsong Electric Unicycle S19. The Kingsong Electric Unicycle S19 is a modern and powerful one-wheel electric vehicle designed for smooth and exciting personal travel. At first look, it may seem unusual because it has only one wheel, but it uses smart self-balancing technology that makes riding easier than it looks. To ride it, you stand on the side foot pedals and control movement by leaning your body. Lean forward to move, lean back to slow down, or stop. After a little practice, it feels natural and stable, almost like gliding on the road. The S19 is built for comfort and performance. Knight M1 PS. The Knight M1 PS is a futuristic electric motorcycle built for riders who love speed, modern design, and advanced technology. It has a bold and aggressive look that gives it a powerful presence on the road and clearly shows it is made for performance. This bike runs fully on electricity, so it does not use fuel. That means no smoke, no engine noise, and a much cleaner impact on the environment. It is a smart option for riders who want power while also supporting eco-friendly transport. One of the most exciting features of the Knight M1 PS is its fast acceleration. The electric motor delivers instant power, so the bike responds quickly when you twist the throttle. This makes the ride feel smooth, quick, and exciting at the same time. The design is sleek, lightweight, and futuristic. Every part is made to improve speed, balance, and control. It feels stable on the road and gives the rider confidence even at higher speeds. It also comes with modern features that help improve safety and overall riding experience. The technology inside makes the bike easier and more controlled to handle in different situations. Overall, the Knight M1 PS is a powerful electric motorcycle that combines speed, smart engineering, and futuristic style, showing what the future of high-performance bikes can look like. Land Moto District Scrambler. The Land Moto District Scrambler is a modern electric motorcycle built for both city riding and light off-road adventures. It has a strong, bold design that gives it a rugged scrambler look, but inside it is fully electric, making it clean, quiet, and eco-friendly. This bike is made for different types of riding. In the city, it moves easily through traffic and feels smooth and light to control. On rough paths like dirt roads or uneven tracks, it still performs well because of its solid build and stable handling. This makes it a great choice for riders who want one bike for many situations. The electric motor gives instant power, so the ride feels quick and responsive when you twist the throttle. There is no loud engine noise, which makes the experience more peaceful and enjoyable. It also saves money because it only needs charging instead of fuel. Lumo Segway Robot. The Lumo Segway Robot is a smart and futuristic device made by Segway that works both as a personal transporter and a small robot. It is designed to make moving around, filming, and interacting with technology much easier and more fun. At its core, Lumo works like a self-balancing scooter. You simply stand on it and lean your body forward, backward, or sideways to move and control direction. It stays balanced on its own using smart sensors, so riding feels smooth and stable even for beginners. What makes Lumo really special is its robot features. It has a built-in camera, sensors, and artificial intelligence. This allows it to follow you, avoid obstacles, and even capture photos or videos while moving. It can feel like a smart companion that moves with you. Lumo runs on electricity, so it is quiet and eco-friendly. It is mainly used for short-distance travel, entertainment, and smart assistance. You can also control it using voice commands or a mobile app, which makes it very interactive and modern.